Welcome to 358 West, 4th South. This is right across the street from the landing, just down the street from BYU-Idaho. I'll zoom in so you can see the campus, just a couple blocks from BYU-Idaho. This little residence has been historically used as a family renting the upstairs, family renting the downstairs. I'll just take you through it really quickly so you can just get a feel for this house and the layout, how it works. Living room. Off the living room, you got a little utility closet, full bath, tub shower, and just off the bathroom, you got your laundry center with uppers. Bedroom number 1. Here, this is on the south side of the house. You can see this is the road that we were just at out there, across from the landing. The landing is the apartment complex. I'm saying that just as if everyone knew, but in case you don't. Bedroom number 2. Closet with uppers. Backyard in this place is really, really big and nice. All fenced in. And it'll lead us back into the living room. And then into the dining area here, the nook. Again, just a shot of the backyard. Really pretty, nice backyard. Uppers, lots of uppers in here. Big, nice kitchen. And this door is generally shut and locked. I have it open just for ease of walking through, but this gains access to the basement. I'll just show you real quick here how this is access, so you can come along this walking path here, and this will get you access to the parking area where you would come in through the fence, through the gate here, and into either the downstairs or the upstairs through this exterior door. Like so. Just a real quick shot of the backyard. Again, very nice, open space. Little gardening area here. A lot of room. Unusual, actually. And into the downstairs unit. The downstairs living area. Have here your water heater. And bedroom number 1 right here. Nice ingress egress window. Closet. And then you come into your kitchen area. I'll just really quickly show you this. The bathroom area. Here's bedroom number 2. So yeah, big nice open space. Big windows. Tile floor down here all the way through. And you've got your kitchen area here. And behind the kitchen is a pantry area for the downstairs. Good storage. Love that. And your full bathroom. Tub shower combo. Once again with your vanity. And back in the living room, and then they have a little private room here for washer and dryer. Go back upstairs. And again, just to reiterate, this little access here from the exterior as you come in through your door. There is also an office that they've been using. This is more of just a catch-all storage room they've been using for repairs and maintenance crew. And then this is an office which could be added to the living quarters, for additional rent, but this goes right outside again to the front door. Okay, if you have any questions about this property, you can reach out to us, the CountryWide Properties Group, Keller Williams Realty, East Idaho. You can reach us at 208-356-7300. Thanks for watching the virtual tour.